Okay, so I just want to show you this. This is inside the VIP Discord. You can see we have a channel here for Forex discussions, and you can see this was a trade setup that I posted on Euro US dollar. You can see the timestamp, and this is basically obviously the trade setup with the stop at the bottom of the red and the target at the top of the green. So I never post this in real time, and you can see, so that was posted at 1:59. You can see over here immediate reaction, almost near perfect entry, and you can see to the upside. And this is basically just what I do inside the VIP Discord on a daily basis, whether it's Forex, whether it's crypto. And you can see this is the same setup here on Euro US dollar. You can see how perfect that came into the middle, perfect entry for this trade. Bit of a wide stop here, but you can see over here that could be the target, but initially look at that reaction, perfect entry over here. I shared this in real time. At this point we could take 50% profit with a stop to break even, and maybe it continues going, maybe it doesn't, but either way, fantastic trade in just a matter of literally less than an hour. So if you want to join VIP, send me a DM or comment below, click the link in my bio, and you will get access to all of that. Okay, so I just want to show you this. This is inside the VIP.
Here are 3 reasons why most traders fail at becoming profitable in the long run. Number 1 is they over-risk. If you lose more than 1% of your trading account, you're setting yourself up for failure. Part of trading is losing, okay? But if you lose that big, you cannot recover, and eventually you will blow your accounts. Stick to risking 1% per trade, and you have a massive, massive edge. Rule number 2 is most people do not have a proven strategy. They try one thing here, the next trade they'll try another strategy, then they'll buy another course, then they'll sign up for another Discord, they'll follow a signal, they'll do this. They have no repeatable strategy. You need a strategy that works, that allows you to define an entry, stop loss, and take profit target that works on lower time frames, higher time frames, over and over and over again. Reason number 3 why most people fail is they do not journal their trades. You need to track every single trade, the entry, the reason why you take it, and the end result, so that over time you know what works and what doesn't work. That way you do more of what works and do less of what doesn't work. Follow my page for more tips. The link is down below.